Hello, my friends. I hope you all had a wonderful, blessed Christmas with your family and friends. I know we did, and I can't believe Christmas has already come and gone. It always goes so quickly. But today, we're going to finish the 12 Days of Christmas Card series for 2019, and we're going to do cards 11 and 12. And yes, I know this Christmas is now in the history books, but you can make these cards to keep and have ready for next Christmas. I used paper, stickers, and cut-aparts from Echo Park, my favorite Christmas. This is such a cute little kit. And I also use Cardz TV Kit and Kaboodle Card Sketch number 8 and number 23. So let's get started on card 11 and card 12. For card number 11, we're using a white card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. This is a side folding portrait style card. And if we look at the sketch, this lists the card base, and then it has a mat 4 by 5 1/4, which is this beautiful poinsettia mat. But I like to use another mat behind that. So this is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And I'm going to layer those together. That just makes a nice little frame for that beautiful pattern paper. And I'll get this attached to the front of my card base using my art glitter glue. And yes, this is the back of the poinsettia paper. It's so pretty. Now, if we look at the sketch, we see we have a border piece that's 1 1/2 by 5 1/4, and then another border piece that's 1/2 inch by 5 1/4. So I've cut this green and white plaid. I'm going to put that down. And then this piece of green, which is the same as this background and the opposite side of the poinsettia paper. And I'm going to get those attached to the front of the card. Isn't that pretty? Next, I took one of the cut-aparts and I trimmed it down a good bit to fit on the front of my card. And I've cut this at 2 1/2 by 3 1/8. And to go behind that, I have some more of that green, which is this strip and the background piece. And this is cut at 2 5/8 by 3 1/4. I'm going to adhere these together and put them on some foam tape and put them right here on the front of the card at an angle, just like the sketch shows. That is so pretty. Now for my sentiment, I took the little sticker sheet from that I Love Christmas set, and I found this one. It's red with white lettering, and it says peace, love, joy. I've got this on some foam tape. And I'm going to get this added. And then we're going to put some gold glitter enamel dots from Close to My Heart on our focal point. And we'll have this card done. So pretty. Okay, let me grab those gold glittery dots. I love these. They come from Close to My Heart. And I think they are just gorgeous. And they just really set this poinsettia off so beautifully. Just makes this card. And one more small one. And there we go. There is card number 11 in the 12 Days of Christmas Card series. Now let's move on to card number 12. For card number 12, we're going to use sketch number 23. And if you guys are interested in any of these Cardz TV Kit and Kaboodle card sketches, you can go to my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com. There's 31 right now, and we're fixing to have 32. I've done another one. And you can download any or all of them for free, and just keep them where you keep your photographs. And when you need some inspiration or you get stuck, you can pull out one of these, and it might help you get going on a card. Okay, so this is sketch number 23. Now, this has these strips directly onto a card base, but I wanted to add a background mat. So this is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. This is some red pattern paper, and I know you can't see the pattern. It's very small. But this came from that My Favorite Christmas kit from Echo Park. I'm going to get that attached. And then we have this that's really cute. It's a tan background with lots of red, green, and white sentiments. Merry Christmas, season's greetings, peace, joy, love, lots of greenery and stars. This was cut at 2 1/4 by 4. It's going to go right down here. And then I've cut 3 strips, 1 inch by 4 inches, in different pattern papers. Here's some more of that green plaid. I love that. That's so pretty. Then we've got a tan with some snowflakes. And then another piece of that green that I used on the last card, and that's going to go up here at the top. That makes a very colorful, very unique card base. I really like that. Now for the center of this, I've used another of the cut-aparts. Isn't that cute? And this one has the sentiment on it. Holly jolly. And this adorable little deer with a red nose. And he's got some greenery and bells and a little red bow around his neck. Now for the background mat, this was cut at 2 7/8 by 3 5/8. And my little cut-apart, I trimmed down to 2 3/4 by 3 1/2. I'm going to get these adhered together and get this on some foam tape and get this on the front of this card. Here's card number 11 and card number 12 for the 12 Days of Christmas card series for 2019. And you can see on card number 12 I also added some more of those pretty glittery gold enamel dots from Close to My Heart. But didn't they both turn out so pretty? I love that Echo Park, my favorite Christmas paper kit. It's just so pretty, and I got it from Amazon, guys, so they may still have this one. And as I said, you can go ahead and do these cards and have them ready for next year. It'll give you a nice little jump start on next year's Christmas cards. Thank you so much for coming by today, guys. As I said, I hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful Christmas, and I'm looking forward to spending some more time with you in the new year, doing some more cards and crafts, and who knows what's around the corner. We'll find out, won't we? Thanks again, guys. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.